Welcome back to another episode of the Crypto Serpent, and it is exactly as the thumbnail says. After you watch this tonight, you will not sleep. I promise you. I promise you. After you see what you're about to witness, don't waste a second. Do not pause. Do not watch this in the background while something's going on. Listen to what I'm about to tell you, because it is all about to blow up. And you gotta pay attention, otherwise you'll miss it. And then you're gonna come back and ask me questions which are already answered on this video. Now, XRP can make it to $6 provided these conditions are met. This is what was published, right? So fair value gap within grasp, right? So they're talking about how the movement is about to happen. However, there are more speculations that the rally will eventually lead to XRP blasting above 639. Really? Never heard of that before. Of course you have. Undoubtedly, the SEC versus Ripple case has played a massive role in the rise and fall of XRP. As we know, we were, already in December, we were starting to make moves, and then boom, the case came around. But things are now about to go nuclear. That's how exciting today is. 639 looks clear as day. And there is so much more that I'm going to tell you about today, right? So the market is preparing for an upward move. The market is moving up as we speak. As I'm making this, I cannot upload it fast enough. That's how exciting the market is at the moment. It is breaking. It's breaking above the 134. And it is so good to see. More news to come out of this particular partnership between Australia, Malaysia, Singapore, and South Africa. Set to test cross-border CBDCs. One of the CBDC partners that they are going to be testing is a RippleNet partner. So very cool to see that. Of course they were going to be in the mix, right? There was never a doubt in my mind that a Ripple partner or Ripple themselves were going to be involved in this. CBDCs and Ripple are a match made in heaven. And this has been a long time in the making. A long time in the making, right? And that's how exciting this is. And everything that I'm telling you tonight, this has been years in the making. You've had your turn. You've had your time. You've had time and time again the chance to accumulate, to get it cheaper. It is about to run out. Your time to get it is about to run out as we know it. Once you run out, don't come messaging me saying, when do we go back to $1.10? Don't come messaging me, will we ever see $1.15? You've had many chances, many opportunities across the years to get it at under $2. Your time is running out. And it's not financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm telling you this for your own benefit. Now, some people out there right now today are saying that we could go as far as $8 this week. They're saying that we can go $8 this week. Now, I am not one of those people, because time and time again, we've had things mentioned, things said, which eventually don't occur. And I don't know about you, but nothing is more annoying when somebody comes out and says, $8 today, and it doesn't happen today, right? But even if it happens tomorrow, it's still, but you said today. Like you said it was going to go today. But a storm is brewing, and there are lots of technical analysts that are saying that the price is about to pop and go into the $8 mark really fast. Now, we're not talking about small movements here or there. No, they're saying it was like one big candle that gets us all the way to $8. I'll keep you up to date with all that. I've just, I'd rather be on the conservative side. I know that we're going to double digits and we're going to, literally blow up and melt the internet. I know that. But I don't feel comfortable telling you that 7 days from now we're going to be talking about an $8 XRP. If we are, wow, what a party that will be. Here's the sad truth. And this, and I cannot explain it in better terms, right? At $1.20, nobody wants it. At $20, they're gonna be lining up together. It is sad. It annoys me beyond you can imagine, right? I made this channel to get people into the 120 window, not in the $20 window. Unfortunately, we can't help everybody. You're on here tonight. I want to thank you for being here, for watching this, for listening to me. because this has been a long time in the making, right? This has been a long time in the making, and I don't want you to get it at $20, right? I want you to do your homework tonight, right now. Do your homework right now. Quit playing around. This is what we're talking about. So based on a prior parabolic move between 15th of March and 12th of April, we remember that day, I believe XRP may hit 431 before the end of September. I don't know about you, but whew, it's getting hot in here. It is getting hot in here. 431 before the end of September, I can get behind that. I can really get behind that. And this is all coming because of that massive cup and handle that has been forming, right? But breaking all-time highs in September, yes, I can get behind that. And especially breaking all-time highs before the SEC case is over. I mean, just so sweet, right? So sweet. This is what we're talking about here. This particular move that is going on at the moment. Breaking out of here. Consolidate above this. It is nuclear what is coming. Absolutely insane. Now, when we look at this and where has this all come from, it's a formation that has been that has been making it's been going for a long time. And now what you're seeing here is the kind of move that Bitcoin made at the top and the kind of move that XRP is making at the bottom. And they're not too different, right? So this next wave that is coming, this is going to be very exciting. From all aspects of technical analysis, it is about to literally melt the internet. Now, the SEC attorneys have informed Judge Netburn that the SEC disputes whether XRP has any utility. If XRP holders are allowed to file, and in Maximus brief, I would be highlighting this one here, right? So this particular thing, we moved $15 million worth of XRP into our company in 2 seconds, and it cost 30 cents. There is no way to do that with fiat or Bitcoin. I mean, that is utility right there. That statement. That's utility. There's no other word to describe it. Like, I don't know how else would anybody describe what just occurred there. It's utility. That's what it is, right? Now, if by now, 7 minutes in, you're still here and you needed a little bit more proof about the kind of homework that you need to do tonight to understand what you potentially may be holding, or you're thinking about getting into XRP, look at this star-studded list of businesses, companies that are part of Ripple. American Express. Like, I don't even know where to start to tell you. There's so many here. Like, where do we start? These are big businesses, right? This is no joke. These are big businesses, right? Gets better. There's more. Take a screenshot. Send it to a friend who's a doubter. Send it to a hater. Send it to an XRP hater. Post it on Twitter for all I care. Tell them. Spread the word. How much more do you guys need? At under $2, right? At under $2. We're still talking about XRP at under $2, and you still don't get it. Please do your homework. Please do your homework. How on-demand liquidity works. Why this is going to be so huge. How, when the Flare network kicks into gear as well, it's going to drive a monstrous ecosystem, right? A monstrous ecosystem. Let's jump into Atani. Let's have a look at some of the indicators today. As we look in the indicators and we're looking at, what's been going on, we're out of the Bollinger Band. We're 8.84% up at the time of making this. We've just broken above the 134. Are we going to consolidate above 134? That is the key critical term right now. We are waiting very patiently. We are breaking above. It is extremely exciting. Are we moving forward, right? Are we going to break above, which we have? Are we going to consolidate above? That is the key here. So don't get caught out. Don't get caught out. And it will be interesting by the time this video goes live where you're at and where we're at in the marketplace. But we are out of the 134. Are we going to consolidate above it, right? Are we going to go back down lower, or are we going to consolidate above? You know the answer. I think we are going to consolidate above and keep pushing and keep moving forward. Outside of, on the 4 hour, we're well outside the Bollinger Band. We are pushing forward. We're into the overbought category in the RSI. When we look at the 12 hour, outside of the Bollinger Band, bullish on the MACD at levels of extreme. And what on the daily, it's just now the MACD broken into bullish. So on all indicators, we're going. We're moving. We're going to be moving now. Now we're going to start Now the stories that we've been hearing about all the others, right? The Solanas and your Phantoms and all that. XRP turn now. XRP turn to start to move towards 170, push above, break to, and then break all-time highs. Let's have a look at some charts. All right, so we kick off with this one, right? Here we go. We're above 130. Next stop, 170, right? We're going to consolidate above 134. If we consolidate above 134, we're moving very fast towards 170. This is number one. Number one priority right now is to have a look at how we perform here. That there is really, really, really interesting. So let's see what happens there, right? We break above. Let's see. We've broken above 134. Can we consolidate above 134? If yes, then we're going to 170. Very, very exciting. So breaking above 135. We've got some resistance at 159. Definitely resistance at 176, and then we got resistance at $2. If you're a day trader, that could work really, really well for you. Now, from here, this is the kind of move that we're looking to make. We're going towards 170, and I think we're going to get there really, really, really fast. From there, the next stop is 196, is a major, major resistance point. And then from 196 to $3 is uncharted territory. In the past, there's been no resistance to get to that. And the FOMO will kick in. So whether it deserves it or not, whether it's meant to be, not meant to be, going to $3 is looking very, very, very promising. And so right now, 170, first stop. 196, second stop. Breaking above 220, consolidating above 220 will be a very, very critical point. And then from there, making the move towards 330 and breaking above $4.36 by the end of September. Ladies, gentlemen, regardless of SEC, we're going there, right? That there, I can assure you, we are going to break the all-time high with or without the SEC case. Once the SEC case settles, it won't be imaginable right now what we're going to do, how it's going to do it, the kind of double digits that we're going to hit, the craziness from Google Trends that are going to transpire, the amount of social media action about people talking about XRP, right? It is going to be legendary. I promised you that after watching this, you won't be sleeping tonight. I know I won't be sleeping tonight, but if you did enjoy the video, don't forget to hit that like or subscribe button. As always, thank you, and I look forward to see you on the next one.